Hi everybody, Lois Threlkill, Ladies of Justice League. I have the world famous probate expert, Bill Gross. Bill
How you guys doing?
Gross, say
What's
hey,
up?
how do you do?
How do you guys do here at the LA County Real Estate Investors event, running your cash flow game? I think that's fantastic. You know, I played that game years ago. It completely changed my perspective of real estate, personal finance, motivation. If you don't know the game, how could you win the game of finance?
And it's a great way to play because you don't have to use your own money.
Well, I guess if you win, you wish it was your own money.
Yes, you do.
And then you guys have the legal thing going on, the legal ladies of justice.
That's right,
What's up with
probate
that?
expert.
So tell us about your service. What do you do?
I'm a real estate broker focused on probate real estate. So oftentimes investors, realtors have a transaction, there's a problem with title. Maybe grandma was on the deed and never got deeded off, or there was an ex-wife or there are other kids involved. And so how do you fix those problems? There's court systems and attorneys. I work with a lot of them. I know good attorneys, no bad ones. I can help you avoid the bad ones and get a good one.
And you have a website, or how would they get a hold of you or find out more about you?
Well, if you want to about probate, go to probateweekly.com. It's the nation's largest podcast on probate real estate for investors and real estate agents, probateweekly.com. I do a live podcast every Thursday at 4 o'clock. And then my website's thelaprobateexpert.com.
All right, very good. Learning all about real estate investing, probate investing. Bill Gross is one of the famous realtor on probate and knowledge.
Thank you.
All
So
right,
nice to see you guys. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
So Bill used to be a pert, but now he's an expert.